Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by doing a quick energy audit. Assess court, lighting, and your opponent's tendencies so you waste less motion. Start warming up, 5 to 7 minutes of dynamic movements, to prime muscles and raise heart rate without burning glycogen too fast. Once warmed, rehearse 2-3 tactical patterns and decide where you will stand on returns. This saves energy by reducing reactive lunges. Make sure to hydrate lightly now so you avoid heavy pauses later, and stay rhythmical from the first rally. You focus on efficiency. Use a purposeful split step and small, angled steps to reach shuttles faster with less effort. When rallying, choose controlled drives and flat clears. These maintain pressure, but reduce long recoveries compared to high lifts. Once you see opponents favoring a side, move them with placement. Force short returns that let you reset and conserve stamina. Make sure to breathe on every point and keep rallies compact. This buys energy across the match and keeps you decisive under fatigue. You finish by managing recovery and pacing. Between games, take 30 to 60 seconds of active recovery. Walk, breathe, and sip 100 to 200 milliliters of water to clear lactate and reset focus. Pacing matters. Decide which points you play aggressively and which to defend so you don't burn out early. If you experience sudden fatigue, shorten rallies immediately, aim at corners to win quick points, and use deep diaphragmatic breaths to restore control. This troubleshooting keeps you effective until the final whistle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.